POV, you are a top performer and killing it at work with Excel automation using AI.
If you also want to step up your game and make Excel your superpower, join us for our 3-hour Excel automation using AI workshop where you will learn from an average Excel user to advanced Excel pro by delegating 90% of your work to AI and saving 1/10 of your time. So whether you're crunching data or looking for insights, you will be able to supercharge your MS Excel efficiency with AI by 200 Excel formulas and turbocharge your productivity. Plus, you will uncover 47 secret custom formulas using AI and ChatGPT in MS Excel that will complete your work 1/10 your usual time. So hurry up and click the link to register just at ₹9 and get bonuses worth 10,500 absolutely free.